We're exploring New York's Southern Finger Lakes, getting our adrenaline pumping.
Right over the right wing. You ready?
Yeah.
So look to your right.
Loving it on this track, I can tell you that. I didn't realize how much I like to drive fast.
And hands-on with art and history on Travels with Darley.
I think the most fascinating thing about Mark Twain is the myriad of different ways that people can approach Mark Twain.
For me, in my mind, it's a romantic way to travel. It seems romantic, and these boats, even the replicas, are so beautiful.
So you might have heard our nickname, the Crystal City, and these buildings here played a very big role in that.
Come along as we explore the Southern Finger Lakes with locals, guiding us along roads sometimes less traveled and sometimes not.
The sports car racing really comes here a lot. I don't think they realize how much history has been here.